So we have between now and April 8th to help all the XP PCs out there get upgraded. Get upgraded to Windows 7 and Windows 8. We've got to do it now. And we got to drive the deployment. XP's been a wonderful operating system with great ROI. The reality is, it's time for it to go. When you look at when we started engineering that product, to the fact that it's still running in market, it's an incredible product with incredible ROI. But the world's changed. Every customer understands that, every business understands that, every partner I talk to understands that, and it's time for it to go. We are not going to extend the end of life for Windows XP. This is it. No more security updates. You won't be secure if you're running it. We have to move people off the platform. It costs us and them way too much money to continue to support it this far into the ecosystem. Now the fastest way to Windows 8 is through Windows 7, because we have publicly stated for any device that's running Windows 7, it will successfully run Windows 8. So for anybody out there that says, hey, should I wait for 8 or this or that, get them on 7. That's the fastest way to Windows 8. Get the browser update, get the new release of Office update, so that they can take advantage of all of the solutions and technology and investments that we're making across the portfolio. This is a $12+ billion partner opportunity, ladies and gentlemen. $12+ billion. A huge opportunity for you to be able to take advantage of. And I'm very excited about that. So let's get after it. The cloud. I love our cloud solutions. I love our cloud story. No one has a comprehensive cloud offering like we do. We've got a great productivity experience with Office 365 and the investments that we've made recently in the social enterprise, and I'll talk about that in a moment. The database platform with SQL Azure. The business application space with CRM and ERP, and where we're continuing to push that Dynamics platform to the cloud. And the infrastructure space with both Windows Azure and Windows Intune, and the ability to manage it in the cloud. Very, very important for us. And we've got common technologies across identity, virtualization, management, and certainly development. But it's really important that our partners understand that there's two key things to helping every customer get ready to go to the cloud. The first one is, do they have Active Directory completely deployed and up to date? Completely deployed and up to date. It's really important that we get those AD implementations finished. That we go back in there with services and solutions and help customers get AD completely deployed. Secondly, getting System Center completely deployed and up to date. When we have these two things, ladies and gentlemen, we can take a customer to the cloud any minute that they're ready. Whether they're ready today or whether they're ready tomorrow. They can go with us to the cloud. Two key things that I want you to continue to remember. The second thing is, we have three distinct types of clouds. We've got a private cloud. We love the private cloud. We'll help customers build the private cloud all day and all night and every day and every week. But we also have a public cloud offering. And some of that's partner and syndicated partners are hosting that, in addition to ourselves. And there's revenue opportunities that John just talked about for partners. And the most commonly adopted cloud we have is the hybrid cloud offering. And the ability to have some things that you want to manage on-premise and some things that you don't want to manage in the cloud. That's what we have at Microsoft. We, with our partners, help customers build the cloud on their terms. We're not trying to push them to our cloud or somebody else's cloud. We want them to go at their pace of the cloud on their terms. Very, very strategic differentiation for us versus our competition. And our partner ecosystem makes it that much more impactful. And so I love our cloud services story. I love our solutions. And I hope each and every one of you, I know that John gave some numbers about, well, we're signing up about 1,000 a month are coming to the cloud. I don't want 1,000 a month. I want 10,000, I want 30,000, I want 50,000 partners a month coming to the cloud. Many of you haven't made the shift. The train is gone. Jump on. You got to get on the cloud if you're not, because it is the future. It's where the customer's going, and that's how we have to build our business model. And thank you to all those partners out there who have gone with us, because like I showed you, our revenues are up over 100% across the board and in the geographies. It's amazing the traction we're seeing. Millions of seats are being signed up across our cloud services story. And we need you with us. We need every single one of you with us all the time in the cloud.